TJ Giants. Ito pa mga local crew nila. Nung nawala nga yung kanilang prolific scoring import na si Darius Rice, bigla namang umangat ang laro netong mga locals ng Pure Foods TJ Giants.
Eto nga si Ralimi, no, does not demand the ball as much as Darius Rice. Kaya naman yung locals nila have been happier dahil sila nga nakakaporma sa games. Only 17.6% yung scoring na binubuhos o inaambag nito ni Ralimi sa total output ng kanilang team kumpara naman sa 33% mahigit ni Darius Rice. Ang problema ngayon, si Simon 6 points pa lang, James Yap 5, Kirby 3 at si Villanueva 0 pa. Kaya ito behind the Pure Foods dito.
Kumbaga sa pizza pie, isang slice lang ang kailangan ni Ralimi. Ito si Rice, dalawa eh. Ito ngayon si Kirby Raimundo. Kirby Raimundo, nawala na naman yung bola, and it has been a struggle really for Kirby Raimundo. Not only this ball game, but in the past 4 ball games na rin para dito kay Kirby Raimundo.
And how, yun ang mahirap dyan, no? From a player standpoint, Richard, how would somebody, ikaw nag-coach ka, how do you help somebody break out of a funk like that?
Well, you always tell your players na you just let the game go to you. No, you don't force it. And darating rin at darating yung puntos. Speaking about them, dahil, well, sa atin, never dumating.
Ito, pagkakataon na naman ng Pure Foods dito, down by 15 points. Special kill daw siya. Pabiting pabandang tira niya.
Well, nakita nga nito si Roger Yap. Hindi gumagana pa sila Peter Jun Simon, sila Kirby Raimundo, sila Rico Villanueva. So he took it aggressively that time. At ito na nga, merong 3-point play opportunity for Roger Yap.
At ang pinakamagandang na bingwit ni Roger Yap doon ay pangatlong personal foul na ni Cory Santi.
Alright, ito si Roger Yap completing that 3-point play. He has a total of 5 points in the ball game, and it's a 12-point lead para sa well-coached Dragons. Ito si Arraña, kicks it out. Marcus Ganos with a relaxed 3-point attempt. Ito naman, sigawan na naman ng tao dahil hawak na naman ni James Yap ang bola.
Mahimik no kay Roger Yap.
Yap pa rin naman yan ah. Ito ang seal ni Ralimi sa loob. Ang gandang pasa dito kay Jordan Salvador. Hindi lang nakumpleto. Here's Cory Santi to the corner to Rob Wainwright, who nails another TM to the wrist.
And that'll be point number 13 para kay Rob Wainwright. Richard, pangatlong TM3 na niya rin niya yan.
Yun na nga eh, no? Talaga mainit ang kamay nitong si Rob Wainwright. And this is a good sign for the well-coached Dragons. Every time Rob Wainwright has a good scoring night, they have a better chance of winning. Let's drive sa baseline. I think that's a friendly bounce. We're talking about Roger Yap.
At binanggit mo na nga, Richard, na realize na itong starting point guard ni Coach Ryan Gregorio si Roger Yap na medyo malamig yung mga kakampi niya, and he's taking it upon himself. Kailangan nang umiscore sa ballgame nito.
Look at that adjustment by the defense of the Pure Foods TJ Giants. They really want ito si Rob Wainwright to put the ball on the floor kesa naman magsa-spot up siya dahil mainit nga siya sa labas. Ito yung acrobatic layup, undergoes tap by Roger Yap.
Eluding the defense of Marquise Gaines that time around. Ginamit yung ring para protektahan yung bola.
So under 6 minutes remaining sa ating first half. 13-point lead para sa well-coached, pero pwede ibabayan ng Pure Foods ngayon sa pagpihit ni Kirby, pero may foul kaagad na ibinigay itong si Rob Wainwright. So this is the matchup that Pure Foods would like to take advantage.
That'll be foul number 1 on Wainwright, and the second team foul para dito sa well-coached Dragons.
So Jaire Ibanez pasok sa ating ball game together with Alan Salangsang.
Tandaan natin si Jaire Ibanez, napakaganda na simula sa larong ito. May 2 strike siya ng first quarter.
Ball will go to the white shirts of well-coached.
Isang hindi natin nakikitang pinapasok pa dito, itong si Joey Mente, who usually provides the spark off the bench para sa well-coached. Pero with the way things are going, mukhang okay na yung starters neto ni Coach Kaloy Garcia.
Even with the way Bagyon played kanina, wala na naman, mintis ito si Gaines. Jonathan Salvador, control of the leather. Ito na si Roger Yap. Umangat na naman using the glass. Too strong this time, pero may sumabit ulit.
And Pure Foods realizing that they aren't shooting that well from the outside. They are starting to pound the ball inside, attacking that basket. At kukunin na nila yung pangatlong team foul netong Wellcoat, and more importantly para dito sa Pure Foods, pang-apat na personal foul para kay Corey Santi.
Who you gonna call? Roylan Bagyon.
Ito po, ilang bagyo na naman, ano? Nakapagpahinga na ng bahagya. Tignan natin kung kay James Yap o dito kay Roger Yap siya babantay. Dahil lately, si Roger Yap ang aggressor dito. Ito na po.
Si Roylan Bagyon ngayon magandang nilalaro kanina para dito sa Wellcoat Dragons. Ito, siya na natitira. Total, maganda naman ginawa niya kanina. Siguro patatawarin naman siya ni Coach Caloy kahit nagbintis sa that time. Roger Yap. With James Yap. James Yap, sidestepping move, kicks it out. Balik na naman kay James Yap.
At si Bagyon, napansin natin kay Roger Yap naman inassign ngayon, while si James Yap iniwan ni Coach Caloy kay Jairo Ibanez.
That's right. A good defensive effort that time by Jairo Ibanez, forcing this turnover again for the Pure Foods TJ Giants.
That'll be turnover number 11 for the
Nako,
Giants.
yun ang marami-raming turnover na yan. Here's Gainus, comes closer. Gainus try to get his points again from the free throw line. Kirby Raimundo natawagan ng kanyang pangalawang personal foul.
Marquis Gaines with 5 points in this ball game so far. At iisa pa lang ang field goal niya actually in this game.
Kaya I told you nga kanina nung last game nila, he was 1 of 11 from the 2-point region for a measly 9% shooting.
Masakit talaga yan.
And overall, he was 3 of 17 from the field in that game against Magnolia. Kung saan po nanalo yung Magnolia 94-86.
Kaya naman from over 50% shooting dito sa ating Fiesta Cup, bumaba na sa 41%. Ito si Marquis Gaines dahil nga sa mga ganyang klaseng game na pinuproduce niya.
At yun ang importante, if yung import, syempre, he gets most of the touches and most of the attempts, and he makes less than 50% of his attempts. Kaya naman namumroblema dyan ang Wellcoat Dragons.